Out of box, Elasticsearch provides you an API to check your cluster's health, and it indicates a cluster's health in easy to understand color codes. As we have learned in previous lessons, if your cluster's health is indicated as red, it means not all primary shards are active, and that needs an investigation. If your cluster's health is yellow, it means that all primary shards are active, but not all replica shards are active, which is the case in our single node cluster. If your cluster health is green, then it means that all primary and replica shards are active, and this is the ideal cluster health you want in your production. Okay, so in this exercise, let's check your single node cluster's health as of now. Okay, so let's bring the terminal and make sure your Elasticsearch daemon is running in the background, and then we can just use the curl command, and this is xget. Okay, so your Elasticsearch node address, and then we'll use cluster health. Okay, so we want cluster level health. Okay, so here we are sending a GET request to our Elasticsearch cluster and asking it to provide us information about its health. Okay, so press enter. Let's print it in pretty format. Okay, so we can read it easily. Alright, so here you can see our cluster name and the status. Okay, and it is yellow as we expected, and we have one node and about 150 active primary shards. Okay, so this gives you a very high level view of your cluster health at the moment. Okay, the way to use it is either you use Marvel UI, or if you want to create some backend process, you can create a daemon which invokes this particular curl command every few times in a day and create some kind of report for admins to look at. So this could be one use case. Okay, next I will show you how you can monitor even your indices and your shards using same API. I see you in the next class.